Hello, I'm Christian Lowe with Military Times and Gear Scout, and today we're at the Crucible in Fredericksburg, Virginia. It's one of the premier training areas for military, law enforcement, and government agency personnel for everything from pistol to rifle to room clearing. They've got it all here. Fortunately, today we're able to use one of the ranges to take a look at the Trijicon MRO, okay? This is the miniature rifle optic from Trijicon. You know, one of the coolest things about this dot is it's a green tint dot, okay? There are not very many of those on the market, frankly. Try and find some. And the fact that it's made by Trijicon, which is a battle-tested company, just gives you so much more confidence that this thing is going to work whenever it's needed and in any situation, all right? The other cool thing about it, I will tell you, is it's a very low profile optic, okay? It's really in deep competition with the Aimpoint Micro T1, right? Which is about $200 to $300 more expensive depending on where you go. And the lightweight, the low profile really makes it nice on a platform like this, all right? So this is my fun little range toy, my CZ Scorpion Evo pistol, all right? Small, tight, maneuverable firearm, okay? And it's perfect sitting atop this. Another really cool thing about it is it has a very large objective lens, okay? It's gonna be really hard to find another rifle optic like this, you know, red dot optic or green dot optic like this that has such a large field of view. Brings in a lot of light. It's got really good lens technology. And it's interesting, check out the video from Grand Thumb. He compares the MRO and the Aimpoint Micro T1, and I agree with him. He feels like going back to the Micro T1, you really do feel restricted in your field of view when you're looking through it with both eyes open. He called it like looking through a toilet paper roll. I kind of have the same sort of impression on this. I really like the larger lens on this sight. The Trijicon MRO is also very approachably priced. It's definitely not at the high end, but it's not at the low end either. It sits right there in the middle, so it might be a great option for you. Thanks for watching this episode of The Down Low from Gear Scout. Let us know what you think about this video and this optic in the comments below, and stay tuned for more.